Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Simply Carbon Fiber Apollo Series Carbon Fiber Watch. Now you can buy this from simplycarbonfiber.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $190. Now y'all know how I feel about carbon fiber. This is major. Alright, so let's go through the specs real quick. Now the watch has a 42mm diameter. Now the weight is 71.6 grams. Now it's real carbon fiber dial, a real carbon fiber bezel. You got 31/6L steel case, Swiss Ronda movement, screw-in crown, 20mm strap width, premium Italian genuine leather strap, scratch resistant, sapphire coated crystal, and it's 50mm water resistant. Whew, here we go. Valentine's Day is on the way, ladies. Don't buy us no jackets, no ties. This is what we want. All y'all race car drivers out there, pay attention. All right, Simply Carbon Fiber branding on the front. Here we go. This slides out. Now let's enjoy this. Okay, so let's see what you get inside. You got the Simply Carbon Fiber troll sticker. Plug it and file it. All right, some deals from the website. Let's see. Okay, instructions right here. Plug those and file them. Now here's the main event. The carbon fiber watch. Check this out. Now let me do the smell test on this. Smells like race car. All right, so let's take this out. Here we go. Now, this is a, let me do the smell test one more time on the band. Yeah, this is a real leather band. Nice weight on this. All right, a little heavier than I thought. Normally with carbon fiber, you're expecting it to be super light, but this has a good weight on this. Now let's focus in on this dial. Look at this. This is beautiful. Okay, so here's your crown. We'll set the time. We'll set the time and date on this in a little bit. Let's see on the back. Little sticker, we'll peel that off. Genuine leather. Simply Carbon Fiber branding. Bang! Look at the front. Whew. Let that sink in. I don't even got to talk. Let that sink in. Race car drivers, y'all know what to do. All right, let me slap this on the wrist real quick so y'all can see what it looks like. All right, here we go. All right, so here's how it's going to look on wrist. Now, as you can see, I set the time and the date. The second hand is moving. Everything is a go. Let that sink in. This is beautiful. Now, a couple of things I wanted to show you to complete the look. We got the Simply Carbon Fiber phone case. Now, this is for the iPhone 10. They make them for a bunch of different phones. This one is going to run you $40. All right, so let's check this one out real quick. Comes in a little pouch. Rah. Check this out. All right, so let's slap it on the 10. All right, no razivity on this. This is not really a protective case. This is just for the look. Check this out. Fellas, when you go into those car meets, go like a boss. Now, y'all already seen the carbon fiber knife. This from Simply Carbon Fiber also. Gentleman's carry piece. Y'all seen the carbon fiber wallet. All right, this is from Pratika. This one is pretty cool. I'll do a review on this if y'all want separately, but check this out. No words. Anyway, this is the Simply Carbon Fiber Apollo Series Carbon Fiber Watch. Worth every penny. If you're heavy into that race car life, then you need this setup. Now, they also make the case for the Pixel XL, which is my favorite Android phone, so I'll get one of those next. But this is a major go. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. I'll let this ride out one more time. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Foxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out To everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays, y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready, no meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early, #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing, I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.